From this struggle to this satisfying peel-off. Wow! Here's how. Mahirap po talaga magtanggal ng wallpaper. But here's a tip that you can try. Sa ganitong klase ng wallpaper, peel off first the top layer. Ang matitira po niyan yung brown. Don't worry, we'll get there. Ito po ay mainit na water. We'll just apply this sa natira na brown paper. And let it soak for how many minutes. Make sure po na nabasa natin ang lahat ng surface ng natirang brown paper. You'll know when it's ready kung ganito na ang kanyang kulay. Ayan. Pwede na yan i-peel off. O diba, it's so easy. Wow! Ang ginagawa po kasi ng hot water is palambutin yung adhesive niya. Now, it is easier to peel off kaysa nung dry pa siya. Diba? At this one, diba ang satisfying? Buong buo siya matatanggal. Wow! And I suggest you do it from the top patungo sa bottom. Yung ginawa kasi namin una is from the bottom. Kaya nahirapan kami. This is easier. And voila! Marami po talaga yung trash after getting the wallpaper. Which led me to think I wouldn't choose wallpaper. I would rather siguro paint kasi it's easier. And wallpaper won't last a lifetime naman. So, darating din yung panahon, you're gonna change it. I think that strategy will apply sa mga iba pang adhesive ng wallpaper. Just let the adhesive, palambutin lang natin through hot. I think that's all. So, if you don't want this mess, wag po mag-wallpaper.